Hello guys, Marek here. In this video, that will be Photoshop Lightroom 5 Beta. I want to show you one of the most exciting new features that come into Lightroom now, finally. After all these years, we've been waiting for it. So here I've got this image open here. What I want to talk about is the new, enhanced, changed spot removal tool. So with this image selected, I'm going to go to Develop Module. You can just press D on the keyboard as well to go into Develop Module. It's going to minimize this panel at the bottom. I'll minimize these guys here as well, just so you can see the image bigger. And here's our spot removal tool. Okay, one of the, well, let's say annoying features in spot removal tool, excuse me, up till now, was that the way it used to work is, if I just zoom in a bit, you would just click and you get this circle, which you can reposition, but then if you want to remove this cable, for example, it would probably take you ages. I'm going to click here again. Oops, just undo. So I'll click. I'll move it here. This will just take for ages. Okay, so I'm going to reset it. And so, as usual, I'm just going to make this size a bit smaller. Should be about right. Okay, opacity is fine, 100%. Now in Lightroom 5 Beta, for the first time, spot removal tool works almost like hidden brush tool in Photoshop. So what we can do now, it's going to make my brush a bit smaller. I'll just use the bracket keys on the keyboard, like in Photoshop, which means now we can paint. Now this is really, really good. Let's say one stroke. And release the mouse button, and now Lightroom creates an overlap. I'm just going to move it up a bit. Release the mouse button. I'm going to press H on the keyboard to hide the overlay for a second, and this looks really good. So I'll press H again and I'll click done. So now for the first time we can actually paint with spot removal tool, which is really, really good. It's going to do another one. Maybe, let's say, if I just move the image down here, let's say this thing here on the wall, I can just paint over it. H on the keyboard. It's really, well, I'm also using the clone, so if I just get rid of that, I'm going to set to heal, which will look much better. I should have used it to start with. And now, if I just press H, looks really good. It's really gone. Also, one another thing I like in here is the way these points disappear. They just fade out. Again, they just fade out. Really nice. I just love that. And same here. I'll just paint. And it's doing an amazing job sampling from all different areas within the image. Like in here, it didn't sample next to it, it's sampled from the bottom of the one here. And it looks really, really good. I love it. So I'll click close. And this is the new enhanced spot removal tool in Lightroom 5 Beta. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I'm Marek Mularczyk from marekmularczyk.com.